Now we are going to discuss the assembly process for the pump model number 1 before we are going to talk about the design number 2. So first you can see that I can handle this pump in one hand because it's made of aluminium, and this will make it lighter. I can carry it. Even if we're going to do the assembly process, if I'm going to have a box or the carrot here on the side is full with these bodies, I can take it with one hand, put on the assembly table, and start the assembly process. Now the weight is going to be one of the main factors that will decide the assembly time, because the material handling process is going to be done in much easier process. I don't need a special tool to carry the part and put on the table, and also the time required to carry the light part is going to be much less than the time required to carry the heavy part. Step number 2 is we're going to put the core parts, which is going to be the shafts, inside the pump. Now this good tolerance actually enabled me to put it easy. It's not too tight, so actually I only going to put it vertically and I'm going to drop it in. Take the other one, and now we are going to have one of the first problem is that the two lengths of the shaft are different. So even if I'm going to put it on the table like that, I don't expect that all the parts, even if we're going to spend time to put all the parts in the correct direction, this will take time. We are going to put the parts inside. Okay, so I will take the part, start to count the time. Now you can see that I need to do some alignment and put the part in. Now what will be the case if I'm going to take this one from the box and then I'm going to carry the wrong way? I'll put it on the wrong direction. I'm going to spend some time to do that, and then I find out that the two levels of the gears are different, and then I need to do the realignment. I need to take the part and put it in. Now this will be first second suggestion is using lighter material. Number 1, it should be easy to be held. Number 2, number 3, try to make the two lengths equal. So whatever the alignment of the shaft, we're always going to have the correct installation of the part. Okay, so we have 3 suggestions. Now putting thrust plate. Thrust plate is identical, so I don't expect to have any problem. It's fit on the place, and then we're going to put the upper part. Now of course I'm going to put it that way because this will be a through hole which is going to allow the shaft to coming out from the top, and that's it. One knock with the hammer and the dowel will be fitted in, and I'm going to have the part ready, put it aside and get the next one. Okay, so that's what we have for the assembly process, reducing the time as possible by first, maybe we can say that this part is good for the handling, but we can modify that always. One of the suggestions we have is we try to get the same length for the two sides of the shaft. Actually, I see no reason why we have them different heights anyway. Okay, so this will be the same process for the model number 1, and we're going to go now in the next video to talk about the model number 2, which is made of the steel.